Hey collectors! Today we're taking a look at the 1993 D Washington quarter. A modern U.S. coin with collector appeal. On the front, we have George Washington, the first president of the United States. Facing left, a design that has been on quarters since 1932. Flip it over, and you'll see the American eagle with outstretched wings, symbolizing strength and freedom. The 1993 D quarter is made of copper-nickel clad over a pure copper core. Standard for post-1965 quarters. While most 1993 D quarters are common in circulation, collectors watch for proof coins, uncirculated examples, or mint errors, which can increase value. If you have a 1993 D quarter in excellent condition, it's a perfect addition to your coin collection. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to support the channel. Rare coins and lost antique. Stay tuned for more hidden coin treasures.